Stay out, stay out, stay out, stay out towards me, and ride towards the yellow owl. So that you get a deep corner on the backside. Good, now we need to change our lead. Back to your trot. You didn't really quite get to that trot, huh? Look up. Back. There you go. Good. Look around the bank. All right. Keep looking. Stretch up. Stay back, stay back, stay back. Oh, I had to put one more in there, okay?
Yeah, you think that's...
All right, keep that shoulder back. All right, who's next?